Hey YouTube fam, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add timestamps to your YouTube videos step by step. This helps viewers jump to key parts of your video easily and boost viewer engagement. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube channel, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then click on YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Now on the left sidebar, click on Content. Here you'll see all your uploaded videos. Click on the video title you want to add timestamps to. Scroll down to the video description box. To start adding timestamps, type something like this. Make sure each line starts with the exact time followed by a short title. Also, always start with 0000 for the intro, or the chapters won't work. Once you're done adding the timestamps, scroll up and click Save. Now open your video and you'll see clickable chapters on the video progress bar and in the description. And that's it. Now your viewers can skip to the parts they care about most. It's simple, clean, and super helpful. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.